What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you some tips to rank your business higher on Google Maps. So if you are having a local business, so defining it on Google Maps or describing your business and having the tools necessary to rank your business higher is crucial to grow your business even bigger. Because people are, when they search for a certain type of business or for a certain business provider, they usually choose like one of the first results that pop up. So let's say in this example, we are searching for a barber shop in New York City. So if I search for barber shop New York, hit enter, and here I have the top results, and I would probably like 90% of the time choose one of the top results right here. So having your business show up here on the top results or optimizing the SEO or search engine optimization for your business is crucial. Now, before I give you some tips, I'll show you some tools or some Chrome extensions that might help you improve this. The first one is called GMB Everywhere. And if you scroll down here, you can see some of the features here, which will allow you to get some analytics such as like basic audits and reviews audits and post audits and check location rankings and so much more to get a glimpse of what your competition is doing. And the second one is called PLP or Plupper Local SEO Tools. They are tools to help you help you with SEO ranking of your business and show you which are like the keywords that are searched for and stuff like that. Now, once you are decided your business and their location, there are some tips that you need to keep in mind in order to grow your business. So here, if you go to google.com/business, as we are setting up our business, and click on Manage Now. Now, the first step is choosing your business. Now, this is crucial. Choosing your business, this is the first step, tip, of course, I can show you. Choosing the right business name can help tremendously. Now, choosing a name not only is special and like unique, however, it should reflect your profession. So if we go back to the search here in barbershop, so Laboratory Hair, Barbershop NYC, Epic Barber, these are all names that are unique and they are clear as what is the service that is offered, as opposed to some like vague names such as Epic Hair, which is not like very clear on what is that. So is it a hair salon? Is it a hair clinic? Is it like hair dyeing center? Is it like, so the possibilities are more than if I type in, for example, Epic Barber. So this is the first step, which is like getting your business name right. Not only should it be unique, but it should reflect the nature of your business. Now let's continue. Now, choosing your business type also is crucial. If I am an online retailer which is selling like products online, is one thing. However, I should choose local store or service business. And I do recommend a service business so that you get a higher radius of business options. However, if you choose local store, you are set a radius for that is around your store. So for this video, let's go for service business. And here, the second tip I should offer you is choosing the right business category. So let's say I'm opening a barber shop. Let's say I say barber shop. Okay. So here, if I choose barber shop, this is an indicative category, or this is a clear category of what the shop is or what the service is. Instead, I can here, if I type in barber, for example, I have many options. So if I say only barber, it's not really indicative of the service itself. If it's a barber shop, it's a barber school. If it's a barber supply store, in which I selling like barber supplies and stuff like that. So instead of saying like barber only, I should say like barber shop, which is more indicative. Now the next step here is to search selected areas. Now here, this is crucial as well, because selecting the right areas will show up in search results. Now, once someone like searches for a certain service in like a specific area, my business should appear if they are typing the right keywords or the right category, or they are specific in their search. However, indicating the right area is crucial as well, because Usually the locals, like when they are typing in search results for a certain business, they are searching in their selected areas, especially if it's a local service such as a barber shop or like a plumber or something like that. So selecting the areas is crucial if you want your business to show up in the local search results. So if I'm based in New York, I can type in New York, or I can type in certain areas of New York. If I leave this blank and type in wrong regions, for example, someone in Manhattan would search for my business and I show up and they go to the address only to find that my business isn't there, and they might give me like a negative review and rating and stuff like that. So to avoid this, you need to indicate your regions correctly. So let's say here New York. Okay, New York State. Now the next tip, and this is pretty important as well, is to have a correct phone number that is not only accurate but is available all the time and is with you all the time. Because many people tend to call first before showing up, and here they give you like an image on where this will show up. So your address, your directions, phone number. So having a phone number that is correct and you can answer at all times, or have someone manage and answer at all time, is crucial for your business. And if you have a website, adding your website is a great opportunity as well, so that people can go ahead and open your website to view your work and maybe more info about yourself as well. So adding a right phone number is crucial. Now you need, for all this information, your location, your phone number, your business category and business name. You need to be as specific as possible and unique in the name as well, in order for your business to stand out. However, all of this will not make any sense if you are not offering a good business, or if you are not offering a good service. If you are offering a good service, that means your business will grow even higher. And that is the final tip that I'm going to tell you, is that you make sure to account for the reviews. Now, having great reviews is crucial for your business. If we go back to the search results here, all of the top results have really high ratings here. So having a great review will not only get your business, leverage your business and make it rank higher, it will grow it as well. And once the client reviews or sees the high reviews, they will make sure that you are a professional and you are offering a good service. So make sure you take all of these tips in consideration when you are creating your next business on Google Maps. And your business should be ranked higher amongst the highest ranking businesses on Google. So these were some tips on ranking your business or local business on Google Maps higher and get more clients.